It's a 2017 Toyota Tundra 4-wheel drive. You need a truck that's as much of a workhorse as you are. This Tundra was built to meet life's toughest demands. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: V8 engine, electronic shift on the fly, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, integrated navigation system with voice activation, wireless phone connectivity, front heated leather bucket seats, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rearview mirror, and power heated mirrors. The Car Connection proclaims the Tundra bewilders with sheer equipment possibilities. Whatever the purpose, there's a Tundra for it. Toyota, steered by ingenuity, driven by passion. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
At Westchester Toyota Scion, located near Westchester, New York, and our Westchester Toyota Scion website, call, click, or stop in today.